All right, just wanted to give you an update here on the Android radio and the backup camera. I got that all installed this past weekend. Um, I'll put a link to this backup camera in the description below, but I picked this one because it already comes white in color. You can get it chrome, black, or white. I just think it looks pretty good on my personal vehicle. Sorry for the car being so dirty. I got caught in the rain today on the way home from work. But as you can see, it's pretty small. It's pretty simple. Sorry for, like I said, for my car being so dirty. It's got built-in LEDs. Very simple to install, especially on the Accord. There's a lot of room on the inside of the trunk up in this area, so you can get your hands in there very easily. So you just drill a small hole, and there's like a nut and a washer. You put that in the back, and the center of the camera, the wire comes through. I run the wire through the trunk. I've then ran it down the hinge on this side. You come over here, and on this reverse light over here, you just tap the positive and negative. It comes with like a little crimp connectors, whatever you can call them. So you don't actually have to cut your wires. It just crimps on the outside of your factory wiring. So that way when you put your car into reverse and your reverse lights come on, it then sends signal of power to the camera to kick on. It'll also kick on the LED lights. And when it does that, it then also sends the signal. So it comes with a wire. I ran the wire all through underneath like the carpeting and the kick plate up to the Android radio. And so when you put it in reverse, it sends a signal to the head unit to override whatever you're doing. So quickly, here's the head unit. It's pretty nice. You're able to, I've burned all my videos, or all my music to music videos. I've got some old music going here. I got like MC Hammer, Vanilla Ice, whatever. I really can't play too much of it. But anyways, so let me show you. As you put your car in reverse, automatically kicks that off and throws on the backup camera. So far this is working out great. Android radio, I'm loving it. A few little things. I'm just not sure where to mount the microphone just yet. And the microphone is nice because you can do like hands-free Google stuff. Where you say, hey, or okay, Google, and then you can give it commands and, like look at navigation or play the next song or that kind of stuff. But then you put it back in park or drive or any other gear. I think it goes back to the music video you're on. I can't play too much of the song due to YouTube copyright. But so far, I'm loving it, guys. I'd highly recommend it. This whole setup cost me, I think it was $230 for the $229 for the Android radio. Took me personally about an hour to install from start to finish. No cutting of wires, all plugs and play. And the backup camera, it was somewhere like $8 to $10. Like I said, I'll put both links in the description below. And hope you guys enjoy this. I'll do some more videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.